Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix disable Facebook account. Don't panic, many accounts get disabled by mistake and there are steps you can try. First, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook in your browser. Try to log in. If your account is disabled, you will see a message saying your account has been disabled or you cannot use Facebook right now. Read this message carefully. It may tell you why Facebook disabled your account. On the same screen, look for request, review, appeal or learn more. You see one of these, tap it. This means Facebook allows you to ask for your account back. Facebook may ask you to enter your email or phone number, upload a photo ID or confirm your name and date of birth. Follow the steps slowly and carefully. Make sure your ID clear, your name match your Facebook profile, then submit the form. After submitting, Facebook will review your request. This take a few days or longer. Check your email box, your spam folder, Facebook support index. Facebook will send update there. Wait patiently. Facebook accounts are often disabled for breaking community stands, using a fake name, suspicious activity, too many reports. Some disabled accounts are permanent, but maybe they can be restored after review. If your appeal is approved, your account will restore automatically. If it denied, the option is only to wait or accept the decision. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.